Hi boys and girls, this is today's hot challenge. We're going to be continuing our work on number machines, but we're going to take it a little bit further and look at expressions too. Okay, so we're learning to build an expression from a number machine. You simply follow the given set of rules. Alright, so an expression is a sentence with a minimum of two numbers and at least one maths operation. That could be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, for example. Alright, so let's have a wee look at the two examples. Now, we're going to be looking at these ones, and these are two-step function machines, okay, or two-step number machines. So the example at the top says A multiplied by 4. So if you have A, the letter A, so A could be replacing a number. You multiply it by 4, you would get 4A. Then add 1, so it would be 4A add 1, or 4A plus 1. And the second example shows you that you have got the number 5 and you multiply it by the letter M. So you would get, that would be 5M, okay? But it's then saying subtract from 8. So you're having to take your 5M away from 8. So the output would be 8 subtract 5M. Okay, let's have a wee look at exercise 2. Okay, so we're going to have a wee look at question 1, but I would like you to miss out F because this is maybe just a wee bit beyond what we want to be looking at today. Okay, so consider what you were looking at on Monday if you managed to get on. You think about your input number, your processor, your output number, your processor, your output number, okay? So look at it in the correct order. So let's have a look at A for a wee example. So you've got 4 multiplied by 5 would give you 20, plus 3 would give you 23. Okay, so you're going to do A, B, C, D, E on this question. Question 2. Now, this is where you're going to have to change your strategy a little bit because it's telling you you're going to have to undo this number machine to find out what the original input number was. So you're going to have to work backwards. So it's saying there, undo the plus 5 first by subtracting 5, and then undo the multiplied by 3 by dividing 3 by 3. So you work backwards, boys and girls. So you can say to yourself, what number add 5 gave me 23? Or you can say 23 subtract 5 would give you 18. Okay? 18 and change this to divided by 3 would give you 6. So your input number would be 6. So you're going to try this for question 3, all right, using this same strategy, using the undo strategy. Again, miss out question F, so just do A, B, C, D, and E. And that would be fantastic if you could manage that, all right? Now, let's have a wee look at question 4. Now, this might be quite new to some of you, but just really read what the question's saying to you, okay? So it says copy each of the following number machines and follow the rules to build up an expression for each one. So let's look at A. It's saying here x multiplied by 2 add 5. So if you have a wee think about that, x multiplied by 2 would give you 2x add 5. So your expression would be 2x add 5. Okay, is everybody managing to keep up with that? Okay, let's have a look at part B. So you've got y multiplied by 5, subtract 1. Okay, so see if you can turn that into an expression, thinking about your input number, your processor, your output number, your processor, and your output number. Now, there's a couple of these that might try and trick you up. Okay, so if you look at D, for example, you will see the wording is slightly different. All right, so you've got P multiplied by 4, subtract from 20. So you're subtracting from 20 first, so you'll need to start with your 20. So it would be 20 subtract, and P multiplied by 4 would be 4P. So it would be 20 subtract 4P. So think about the ones that are saying subtract from. They're slightly different, all right? Now, I think you'll manage all of those down to J. K, I think will be okay. L looks a wee bit different, okay? And it looks a wee bit different because you've got a different type of expression here. So it's saying S multiplied by a half, add X. So if you're multiplying a half by S, okay, it would be a half S plus X, okay? And M and N might also prove to be a little bit tricky, okay? H multiplied by a quarter, so that would be a quarter of H, subtract W, all right? And finally N, it's saying there B multiplied by a fifth, so a fifth of B, and you have to subtract it from V. So it would be V subtract 1/5 B, all right? Now, boys and girls, I know that seems a wee bit trickier than maybe what you're used to, but remember, this is the hot challenge, so this is the one that would challenge you. If you're stuck, you remember you can send me a little message on Teams, have a wee look up here, and always look at the examples to give you a little bit of a clue. As I said to you, think about what number you're looking for, whether you're looking for the input number or the output number. Okay? Okay, good luck.